is CW. Doing another product review, Amazon open. This one is a present for me this time. It's a hammock. It's on a stand, so I got it from Amazon yesterday. It was waiting on my doorstep when I got home, and this is how it arrived. So the box is kind of ripped open a little bit right there, but I don't think that's going to be a big issue. I'm not that worried about it. So let's just open it up and see what the hell's going on here. Oh. There it is in the box. This package pretty nice and neat. Everything's got individual little bags around it. Probably the hammock right there and the little Rasta colored. And why they send it Rasta colored? Just because it's a hammock? I doubt. Shit, man, I tell you what, I seriously doubt that I'll ever get that sumbitch rolled right back up and fit back in that bag. Feels pretty good, feels like cotton material. The package, when I bought it, said it was supposed to be 100% cotton, I believe, so feels like that's probably right. Alright, so it looks like that. Let's get to putting this stand part together and see what happens. I told you I ain't gonna be able to do that. Alright, instructions. Easy instructions, right? Place all the pieces on the floor. Oh man, does it say if I need tools? I don't think I'm gonna need tools. Alright, we're going to try to lay all the pieces out on the ground over here in kind of that order. Maybe we'll do it over here. Foot pieces. Connect the crossbar with the bases. Screw the bolts. What? Tightly into place. Connect the crossbar with the bases. Right on, I got it. Well, the hole for the is there, right? I guess so. You just gotta do it like that to get the hole. Get the hole. Right. It's not what it looks like on the picture. On the picture, it shows some things are. Oh, I guess you got to put the screw in there first and then turn it over. Is that probably right? Screw the bolts tightly into place. Okay. There. So, I think we're going to screw these into the holes right there. Just like that, I tightened it down pretty much just hand tight. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Shit, somebody. Y'all hear all them ambulance going off over there? Somebody done messed up their whole weekend. God dang. It's only Thursday. Alright, so we got it hand tight. We're going to turn it over. Now it looks like the picture. I'm going to take those off. So then I think we'll take these. Imagine that little hole on the pole matches up with that little hole back there. Oh yeah, look at that, there it is. God. Alright, so got that hand tight. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And tight that down on there. Alright. This is the carrying bag. I think you're supposed to be able to put everything in the carrying bag. It looks right, there's one bolt left over. I don't know where that goes. Seems like, Does it say that? Oh yeah, there's a hole on the bottom that I missed. Yeah, that's it. Well shit, it don't fit. There it goes. Just had to jiggle it the right way to get it in that little hole there, I guess. Oh. Alright, so then these go in this end. Come on there, Amper. I think they go on the outside like that. I think just hand tighten that will be sufficient. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to put the bolt hook through there. We're on the second hole. Sometimes it feels good through the second hole. Yeah. What I understand anyway, I don't know. That's what I hear on TV. And then you get the hammock. Supposed to string that thing around there. Put that on there. This one around to this side. Ugh. Shit, I guess that's not right. Let's try it on the first one then. Sorry about that. This is my first time. So we'll just try it on the first hole. Probably get a little less argument out of the first hole. Alright. Now I'll hook it on there. Now let's see if it'll reach. Oh, mother effer. It doesn't really want to reach. Oh, there we go. Alright, so there's the hammock. Go like this. Is that right? I guess so. Let me lay up in it and see what happens. Oh yeah, right on. Well, not bad. I could check it out. I could lay out in it at camp. You know, I'll give me a little table or a little rock or something right here. Beer right there. Cigarette right there. Beer right there. Hell, I'll be rocking and rolling. Anyway, so that was pretty easy. What was that, about 15-20 minutes? About 20 minutes altogether. So had it set up, and that was just right first time right out the box. So I guess after a couple, 3 times, I'll have this some bitch together in about 5 minutes. I'll be campfire right over there. I'll give me a weenie on a stick. Shit, man, I'll eat that, you know, Fred Flintstone style, just right off the stick. F it. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Click the like or subscribe or something like that, whatever that is them kids be clicking on these days, you know, Instagram it, whatever. Have a good one. This is trying to put the hammock from the hammock stand back into the hammock bag. I'm thinking this is not really going to work. So I'm thinking maybe just fold it. Oh man, look right there, I can see that other fold from where it was folded the first time, right? Let's try to let's try to follow that. Alright. Don't know how easy this is going to be, like really at a campsite. There's the original one. So what? Folds like this. Oh man, is that right? I think from there I'll probably just try to roll it up. Try to roll it up real tight, like a tobacco, hand-rolled tobacco cigarette. Fine Cuban cigar, I mean, is what I mean. Oh man, it's not really looking quite right. I think there was one fold that I missed. I think there was one more fold that should have been done. Oh man, is it gonna work? Not bad, I guess. Not bad for the first time, shit. Alright, right on. Let's try putting that frame in the bag real quick and see what happens on that. Try to save this baggie. I'll probably try to find a different bag, try to find another container, maybe a leather pouch or something to put these parts in. F. Put that back together. Do all that shit. Go ahead and take this one out. Alright, we'll go to this side. Worked pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's really not going to take but about 5 minutes to put it up next time. I don't know what I'm doing then. Maybe, I don't know. Got a fairly bad memory. Right on. That just fits in that bag, don't it? I'm going to try to just take these two end ones out and leave the one in the middle. Right on, right on. Right off, right off. Put those in the little baggie. The hammock will probably fit in there. Let's try and see. Well, I'll be damned. Look at that. Oh, shit. Get in there, motherfucker. Get in there. Alright, I'm ready. Not too bad. Maybe about 10 pounds? Well, I don't know. 10, 12 pounds maybe? Not too bad. Alright, cool. Thank you for watching my video. Click the subscribe and or like button. Thank you.